This is what it sounds like when the spout is unplugged. Spout. Sounds like an exhaust leak. This is when I'm playing with the timing. So right now it's at, I want to say, let me check. Like 19, 18, 20 degrees. This is when it goes lower. This one I make it higher. It goes away. But that's too much time.